Alright, so today, experiment time, we are going to create and contain hydrogen gas using the reaction that occurs between aluminum and sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is an acidic solvent often used for cleaning, so it is not so difficult to come by, although it can be rather corrosive. Let us begin with the prerequisites. We need a container that can withstand pressure to be able to redirect the gas into a balloon, in which will be used to contain and prove the presence of hydrogen gas. A reinforced glass container with a screw-on metal cap will be used. The lid will be drilled to insert a plastic tube that will be secured and hooked up to the balloon. To secure the tubing, an epoxy putty will be used to cement it to the lid, thereby ensuring that it will not so easily come off and make it airtight. After crafting the container, the next is to compress the aluminum, in this case aluminum foil. Compressing the aluminum like this is not necessary for the reaction. However, the increased surface area and density that this provides speeds up the process, thus pressurizing the container and filling up the balloon exponentially quicker. With all the prerequisites in order, let us begin the experiment. Wear safety equipment and begin. Now, throwing in the compressed aluminum pieces one by one. Next up is the sodium hydroxide. No measuring is required, pouring now. That was a blast, quite literally.
Do not do this at home. Wag ka din magsaan ng apoy dyan, ah!
So, with the results, it quickly filled up this balloon, and it is quite warm. This is because the hydrogen gas inside is reacting with the oxygen in the air, thereby forming liquid water. Aluminum reacts with sodium hydroxide to produce sodium aluminate, NaAlO2, which is a salt. And this is this white substance that remains in the container succeeding the reaction. Other than sodium aluminate, the reaction produces hydrogen gas, as shown in this equation. The equation has water as a reactant because the solution used was comprised 50% sodium hydroxide and 50% water. Fuck. Okay, so that happened. So the balloon flied away.
Aroy, what did you do? Goodbye.
This proves that it contained hydrogen gas, as hydrogen is much lighter than air in the troposphere. Good thing that a balloon being ignited was filmed in the test run, so there will be footage to show. Kasi hindi talaga scripted na lumipad siya. Balloon naman, bakit mo ako iniwan ng ganito? Kasi hydrogen is much more combustible than oxygen. Thus, a pure hydrogen balloon goes kaboom, like this.